Nick, this music has been playing for 10 minutes.
Are you still on hold?
Yes, the robot voice said, "Please wait for the next available agent."
The famous customer service hold music.
It sounds happy, but I am not happy.
What happened?
My internet stopped working this morning,
Oh no, that is a problem.
so I called customer service.
Good idea.
But first, there was a robot menu.
Press 1 for this, press 2 for that.
Exactly. I pressed 3, then 5, then 0.
Sometimes 0 works.
And now, music. Only music.
Well, today's lesson is perfect then,
Why?
because today we talk about calling customer service.
Oh, perfect timing.
Welcome to English with Cheri.
I'm Cheri.
And I'm Nic.
This episode is for beginner learners.
Level A1 to A2.
Today, we practice simple English for customer service calls.
By the end, you will know useful phrases for phone support.
And you will feel calmer speaking English on the phone.
Ready?
Yes, let's start.
Cheri, when the agent answers, what do you say first?
I always pause. My brain says, help.
That is normal. Many learners feel that way.
So what can I say?
A very youthful start is this sentence. I'm calling about...
Oh, that is simple.
Yes. Then you say the reason for your call.
Like, I'm calling about my internet.
Perfect.
Or I'm calling about my order.
Exactly.
Let me try another one. I'm calling about my phone bill.
Good. A bill is money you must pay.
That makes sense.
Say it with us one time.
I'm calling about my internet.
Good.
Nick, after that, I explain the problem, right?
Yes.
That part makes me nervous.
Don't worry. There's an easy sentence for that too.
What is it?
I'm having a problem with...
Oh, I like that.
It works in many situations.
Let me try. I'm having a problem with my internet.
Perfect.
I'm having a problem with my account.
Good. What is an account again? Your account is your information with a company.
Oh, like my customer profile.
Exactly.
Another one. I'm having a problem with my payment.
Good. Payment means money you paid.
That is helpful.
Say the sentence with us.
I'm having a problem with my connection.
Very good.
Nick, sometimes the agent asks a question and I miss it.
Yes, that happens.
Then I panic a little.
No need to panic.
Really?
Just ask them to say it again. Could you repeat that?
Oh, that is polite.
Yes, very common.
Let me try. Could you repeat that?
Perfect.
Sometimes they speak too fast.
That also happens.
My brain says, slow down, please.
Then you can say exactly that idea. Could you speak more slowly?
That is great.
Try it.
Could you speak more slowly?
Excellent.
Okay, another problem.
What is it?
They ask for my account number and I need to look for it.
Then you can say something simple. Let me check.
Oh yes, let me check my account number.
Perfect.
Let me check my order number.
Very natural.
Sometimes I still feel confused.
That is okay.
Maybe I do not understand the explanation.
Then say this.
I'm listening.
I'm not sure I understand.
That sounds polite.
Yes, it tells the agent you need help.
I'm not sure I understand.
Perfect.
Nick, at the end of the call, I want to check something.
What do you want to check?
I want to know if the problem is fixed.
Very important.
What can I say?
So the problem is fixed?
Oh, that is easy.
Yes,
So the problem is fixed?
exactly.
Or so my internet will work now?
Perfect.
Can we try a real call now?
Yes. Let's imagine you call your internet company.
Okay, I will start. Hello, I'm calling about my internet.
Sure, how can I help you today?
I'm having a problem with my connection.
I see. What is your account number?
Could you repeat that?
Of course. What is your account number?
Let me check. Okay, it is 4821.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Okay.
I see the issue. Your modem needs a restart.
I'm not sure I understand.
Please turn the modem off, then on again.
Oh, okay.
Try it now.
One moment.
Take your time.
Okay, it is back on.
Is the internet working now?
Yes!
Great.
So the problem is fixed?
Yes, it should work now.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Nice. That felt real.
Yes, and you used many useful phrases.
Listeners, let's listen again.
This time, listen for the key phrases.
Ready? Hello, I'm calling about my internet.
How can I help you today?
I'm having a problem with my connection.
What is your account number?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Of course.
Let me check. Okay, it is 4821.
Please restart your modem.
Okay, one moment.
Is it working now?
Yes.
Great.
So the problem is fixed?
Yes.
Great. Listening improved.
Now say the phrases with us.
I'm calling about.
I'm having a problem with.
Could you repeat that?
Could you speak more slowly?
Let me check.
I'm not sure I understand.
So the problem is fixed?
Excellent.
Nick, one small thing I hear learners say.
What is that?
They say, I have problem.
Ah, yes, missing a word.
Right.
In English, we say, I have a problem.
Or I'm having a problem.
Exactly.
Now a question for our listeners.
Have you ever called customer service in English?
Was it easy or difficult?
Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for learning with us today.
And thank you for practicing your English.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Subscribe to English with Cheri.
and keep practicing every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.